Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, I'm going to be using AI to create a clicker game. So, everything's going to be used by AI. Well, mostly the scripts, but let's get in the video. So, I have the AI loaded on here. I'm using ChatGPT as seen over here. Beautiful, beautiful. But I already searched up what it's about, so yeah, the core idea is player clicks a button to earn clicks. Leader stats. They can use clicks to buy upgrades like more clicks per click, auto clickers, or rebirths. Optional iPass leader, blah blah blah. But what we already have first, step one, leader stats clicks. Okay, and I go to server script services. Let me just bring back to the scene over here. Let me open up the server script services. So script. Let me go back here to scene two. And go over here, click on leader stats. I got the code, and then I've already copied and pasted it onto Roblox Studio. So now let's see what the next step AI says we have to do. Click button. Instead of add a screen drawer, add a text button. Makes it say click me. Okay. Insert a local script. Okay. It seems like we already got the basic idea of the game going already, so we have to open up starter GY and open up here screen GY, uh text button. Okay, great. Now I do want to make this game also look good, cause like you can't have a game looking ugly. Like who will click on a game that is ugly? Like, well, you know what I mean. But if I go over here, we got a thing. Oh my gosh, wrong area. Yo, text. Oh gosh, it's gonna be text button, text button, but text button. Okay, you gotta make it saved. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Oh, gotta update that. Oh, I can't create a custom style. Roblox has a bunch of cool styles I can use, but none of them usually work. So let me just go over here, try to find the text on it. So yeah, well, yeah, text. I gotta go search text on it, but text color. I want to make the text also like have a good font. I usually use Luckiest Guy for stuff because it's pretty good. Now increase the text size. Now I'm gonna add an outline to the thing. Hold up. Okay. Should be not the same size, but should be good enough. The click me button is done. I'm not gonna change any other stuff in there, so text stroke actually that's what it is. But what is the color zero? Yeah, the texture. Okay. But that wasn't texting, transparency. Okay. Line height. Oh. Okay, so I like how the button looks like. Yeah, I'm back. Well, I had to pause the recording for like something, but we're back. So let's check what our next. Actually, I haven't even added the local script yet. I was gonna lie. Okay, now let's get the script in scene 2, and I should have copied the code. Hopefully, I did, cause I don't remember.
I had to cut it out here because I kept on yapping, and nobody wants to listen to a YouTuber keep on yapping. So hopefully you enjoyed this montage because I think it might be good.
I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller because it doesn't get too wide. Okay, now go over here. So the new has a couple of stuff, but hopefully it doesn't mess these up. So as you can, I'm gonna go back to scene 2. I don't really remember what it's called. So shop part. There's a part in workplace called shop part, but no, I'm just gonna rename it to shop parts. Wait, no, wait. Well, didn't think about that. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually add a part that is like right next to the mood. So do this, do that. Okay, there. And I'm gonna make that invisible, but not for now. Not yet. I mean, gonna go back to seeing my next to my. I can never know how to speak to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna go back to Roblox Studio. That was a bad pause, but I'm gonna rename that to Shop Part. And boom. Now I'm gonna click. I'm gonna set over here. So place a part and we'll stop. Insert click detector. Blah blah blah. And then click detector and the script. I think I'm supposed to put the script in the click detector. So do that. Okay, I just inserted it, but so in this click event, so I'm kind of confused here. I'm gonna ask the AI about for this, for this, mm, do I add a script in the text? And I meant click. Oh, I meant click event. No, the click event script is not inside the click. Put the click event script inside. No. Oh my gosh. Mm, Type click event. No, I put a script in the in the click event. Okay. So if I open it here, I think this is the script handling script. So there. So this should be the game. I will add like a background and stuff, but this is necessarily the game so far. So oh gosh, what happened to Moose Pop, guys? This is bad. Oh yeah, I forgot to anchor it. Hold up, anchor, and then I also got to anchor Noob Shop. And it turns out Noob Shops just falls apart if I don't anchor it. So. Well, I think I need 50 to get like an actual upgrade. So Which one do I even? So I'm just gonna ask the AI to like make like an actual thing. I'm gonna ask the AI to actually make the actual a G if I can make like if it could help me make a GUI for like the shop. Yeah. Okay, so I won't really show this again, so I'm just gonna add another GUI to this. GUI, rename it shop GUI. Then rename it shop GUI. Rename it. Oh my goddy gosh. Oh my god. Those current GUI is not working. So shop GUI, target GUI, use shop GUI, and then inside it, insert a frame. Mhm. 300x by 400. I'm just gonna put it back to the scene so you guys can see what I'm doing. So let's I guess right there. Okay, right in the center. This makes me notice that this text button is not in the center. There. Now it's centered. Equals this. To false. That text button is text buttons. Okay. You know, this game is actually not going along as I actually intended to be. So I'm gonna come over here. Text. I need to actually finish the text. No, instead of being a button, I'll make it a by double clicks. So yeah, by double clicks. There. Okay. Bring up. What's the third one? One second. Okay, I'm finally back after a while for me, but like a short time for you guys. But since I kind of got this, I don't even remember what I was doing, but I just realized I have to like change the button color because nobody can see it. But I'll change it to red. I'll make the frame background color to be black. There. Black. Or I could actually do blue in that because it matches it better. So I'm actually change it to blue. And then this could be black. Well, actually, I like the opposite better, actually. So make it the opposite way. Opposite way. Bring this into black. Oh, blue. 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 Yeah, this is really cool. Okay. But so the shop toggle button, like what he said, well, ChatGPT said, but I have to work on that. So I'm gonna turn this thing off, visible, and I'm gonna hop on thing, ChatGPT right now, and go over to the next one. So shop toggle button into the text button. Okay, text button. Text insert the text button to the screen UI. Text button. I'm gonna thing. I'm gonna like shop. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so here's a button over here. I'm gonna use the same custom style as the other one. Well, that's different. I'm pretty sure the next one should be the same. Yeah, this is the same custom style I used for the other one. So, and by the way, if you guys are liking this video so far, please like and subscribe because it's taking me a while to make this video. And I really have to make a video because oh my gosh, my upload streak is like really bad. So, trying to make this actually a good videos because I need a lot of you guys to be entertained. And let's see. I don't think that is good for okay. Text button. I'm gonna change the text into the one I use for that. I'm pretty sure is crazy now. Is what is it called? I don't even know, but I should know when I look at it. Fredoka one. Yeah, that's it. Fredoka one. It's like me. Now I'm gonna go to the text button over here. And for this, I'll actually do the same things I did for the other one. So I'm gonna go over here and what happens when I put that at 100? Border size? Oh, that's why. I'm gonna go to bold. I'm gonna have to make it bold. Bold. Okay. Oh my. Insets. Middle. Oh my gosh. Outline. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not sure if I actually turned it bold or not, but bold. Text. I'm gonna go all the way to text. Scaled, text size. I'm gonna increase it. Text outline. Okay, yeah. I need the text outline, text stroke. So yeah, over. Okay, yeah, no, the shop should work. Now I just have to add the thing, toggle shop button, basically. Button, add a local script to it, and copy code, and then so let me just show you where I took that from. Yeah, I took it from over here in this step 2 shop toggle button over here. So I basically just copied it and then put it inside of Roblox over here as a shop button. Now, buying an upgrade. Okay, so if we want to buy an upgrade, we're gonna actually do the double thing upgrade. So I'm gonna go over here and go to this frame text button. Yep, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Now, ultra in the frame, I'm gonna actually have to turn it on for this. So, I also have to like turn the thing off again. So, uh, visible, yes. And then text button. Okay, I had to check what my thing was because I couldn't see it. Okay. Now, if I go over here and click on there, local script, okay. And then you'll need to create a remote event for if buying. Before we do that, I actually want to change how the text looks like because it's kind of bad. And I don't really like how it looks. So, thing. Yeah, yeah. Automatic songs. We gotta actually, change the text. Yes. Text. Text field. And oh gosh, is someone texting me? 1 second. I think that my friend was just texting me, so I'm gonna hop on here, go to Texas, blah blah blah, all this stuff. Oh, I'm gonna have to change the font. Yes, the font. Bold. I'm gonna use the Fadak one. And yep, that's cool. And now I'm gonna upgrade. I'll need to come over here and actually thing visible or not visibility. Come over here. And come over here and find an upgrade. I'll just make a double click for this one. So let's see. I'm gonna go back to this like over here or whatever. Inside the double clicks. What do you mean? I was on the wrong. I'm such. Well, I'm not, but like. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to answer a folder, but no, then I'm gonna turn that into a buy event. Yes, I'm gonna buy an event, guys. Jendo, you better be ready and buying that alien invasion event. No, no, subscription services. Okay. I have to open up subscription services, and by doing this, enter subscription services. So I'll have to do something real quick. 1 second. So subscription services. Okay. Let's see where you are. Add a script. Then over here. So that's okay. Shop server script. Okay. Now Looks so smaller than actually is. Let's say blah blah blah. Okay. So it's telling me what I should have done, but okay. So frame the so pretty sure I'm gonna turn this visible, and I'm gonna I'm gonna add a button. I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right because I'm like just doing this out of what I think it'll be. Oh, I could have just added a picture button or whatever it's called. But image button, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, I was so sorry. I didn't even realize I was on the wrong thing. I was so sorry. But okay, guys, I'm gonna open up the next tab and we're gonna look for what? Watch this video. I'm still recording. It's just doing. Can you like wait 1 more second? But I need to know what the question is because what's the question? The question is, I don't care. Leave me alone. Okay, I don't care. In the video, what method did the teacher use to demonstrate that matter was being described? Question. You know what? Okay. Victory. I'm not gonna lie, I don't get any good grades with Titans. The only times when I get good grades is most likely on the test or something. But if it's something like, what is it called again? Brain pop, or I don't even know what the other one was called, the thing we're complaining about. I got like a 20 something on my brain pop. Hopefully that wasn't graded. Very nice. And that was for both me and my friend. Oh, well, hmm. I can literally record whatever I want to say. All of the movies have. What? So I finally created the map. I know, like, it's so ugly, but that's all I could have done because, like, it was taking a while and I still had to edit it. So there's really the map. You just click right here. Whatever. So this is still pretty bad. Well, I'll show you matches with it, but you click that. You can click that, but I was gonna add like stuff you can add it there, but like you can't. But I'm pretty sure this kill bug should work. Yeah, it works, but basically that's practically all to the map. But I could have added more, but I could see if I can do this video. Let's see what we do if I do this in this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and try these. See if they're actually possible, but hold on. They seem to be possible. If they're not, I'll just leave it there. Nobody will even try it. Well, there should be. But that's practically all to the game, and this one maze over there. If anybody wants to try it, I'm not trying that. But if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next. Bye.